think what's in your mind is, what is this? What is, and what is Eugene going to do with them? Well, this is just drinking water. This right here is a Dracenamarginata, right? And I'm gonna propagate it. Quick story. I think you guys already know that I really like going to the New York flower market. Please forgive the background noise. It is what it is, guys. So, one of the reasons I really like going to the New York City flower market is you find stuff like this on the ground. So I was there this morning, and this guy was just laying there. And I'm like, I see life in you. I see potential. I am going to exploit that potential. All right, so what I'm going to do is this. Again, like I told you, this is Dracenamarginata. They're very easy to water propagate. And it should only take about 2 weeks, maybe 3, because it is winter in New York right now. The only thing I am a little concerned about is that I don't have a lot of space to get a propagation. So this might not work, but let's see. I'm going to gently pull off the bottom leaves. I don't know how gently you could do that, because if someone just gently pulled off my legs, it would hurt. All right. And I'm really just doing this so that the bottom part doesn't rot out. All right. I think this should be enough. I'm not sure. We are going to check on it. I'm just going to put it in this bottle of water. Like so. Right? Cannot show you what bottle it is because I don't own the rights to it. So it's right up to here. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in that, and we're gonna check on this in about 2 weeks. Okay? Bye.